Have you ever wished there was a faster, more efficient way to travel by bus in New York City, especially on busy routes? Navigating the city's vast network can sometimes feel like a challenge, but there is a special service designed to make your journey smoother and quicker. MTA Select Bus Service, often simply called SBS, is an express bus system in New York City designed to significantly speed up bus travel on high-demand routes. It operates more like a light rail or subway line on the street, providing a premium service that helps commuters get to their destinations much faster than traditional local buses. The core reason SBS is so much quicker lies in several key innovations. First, many SBS routes utilize dedicated bus lanes, which are reserved exclusively for buses, allowing them to bypass general traffic congestion. Second, riders pay their fare asterisk before boarding at a curbside fare machine or using OMNY taps at the station, eliminating delays caused by individual fare payment on the bus. Third, these buses make fewer stops than local routes, only pausing at major intersections or transfer points. Finally, all-door boarding is permitted once your fare is paid, further reducing dwell time at stops. Using SBS is straightforward. Look for the distinct blue SBS signs at bus stops. Before the bus arrives, locate the fare machine at the stop, pay your fare using your Metro card or by tapping your OMNY-enabled device, and take your receipt. You do not need to show the receipt to the driver when you board, but keep it in case of an inspection. When the bus arrives, you can enter through any door, find a seat, and enjoy a faster ride. This system is part of a broader urban planning strategy called Bus Rapid Transit, or BRT, which is an international standard for high-quality bus service. New York City's SBS was designed not only to improve speed but also to enhance rider experience and reduce the environmental impact of urban transit by encouraging more people to use public transportation. It is a smart solution that adapts to the demands of a bustling metropolis. Ultimately, MTA Select Bus Service offers a significantly more efficient and reliable bus option across New York City. By combining dedicated lanes, off-board fare payment, and limited stops, it provides a crucial public transport link that saves valuable time, reduces stress, and keeps the city moving seamlessly for everyone on board.